I've got a grandfather clock in for restoration. One of the problems with it is the door's got a twist in it, as you can see there. So normally they're just cut straight down the middle. So it's like that. Now a twist is the same thing really, it's just diagonally. So it's running along that line there. If we go the other way, you can see there's quite a bit of a gap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run circular saw down from corner to corner, do several cuts, pull it down flat and then glue some wedges in. I'll only cut down to this bit here, I don't want to go past and cut into that moulding. So once that's done I can sand it down flat and veneer over the top, so hopefully it'll look like nothing's ever been done to it. So this is what it's like on the case. So when those hinges are in place, I end up with a 1/2 inch gap in that corner. So I've cut 15 saw curves in the back, and I've got a load of oak here, just offcuts that have been drying for a while. They've been in the rafters for a few years and they've been outside baking in the sun, so they're nice and dry. So I'll skim these down to the wedge shape and just force them in here with a bit of glue. So that's all the wedges in now. It's not perfectly flat, there's still a bit of a twist in it. I used quite a bit of this. I had 32 feet of it, and that's all I've got left. So you do use more than you think when you're doing this. all sanded down now, ready for veneering. That's not too bad. There's a bit of a gap there, but it's not that bad. It's not the ½ inch that it was. I can take a little bit out on the hinge side just to close it a bit. I like to use greaseproof paper because it stops the glue sticking to the iron and the hammer, and it stops you stretching the veneer as well when you're going across the grain. So that's the door done now. The wedges are disguised quite well, it's not too bad. I'd sooner it was a bit flatter than this, but it's a bit of a rush job this, unfortunately, so I had to get it done quickly. Normally I'd put the wedges in, let it settle for a few days, flatten it out again and put more wedges in before I veneered it, but like I say, it was a bit of a rush job, which is never a good thing. It's flat enough, it's okay, but I would prefer it was better. I've repolished the front, so that's finished as well. Just a bit of pigmented polish around that corner there, just to sort of help age it up a bit to make it match in with the rest of the case.